How to fix Facebook Messenger video call sound. Hi guys, first thing open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here. Click on Facebook Messenger and then click on force stop, and after that click on storage and then click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on power usage details, click on app launch, disable the manage automatically, and make sure to enable these three options. Click OK and click on force stop again, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.